morning everybody. Before I do my canvas dip, I am just going to show you what I've been doing. These are my maple seascape and landscape planks. Here's a couple. They're about 2 feet long. And these two, I've got to put sand down here at the bottom. Sand's going to go along there. And here are another couple with little gel details. And if you can see the sand. And here's another chessboard that I'm going to finish today. There is one of my landscapes. And again, a couple more of these planks. And if I bring it down, you can see the sand at the bottom. And my pebbly one. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to get on, clear this table, and come back to you with the dip painting. Okay, I absolutely hate mixing paint. So I got this at some really cheap shop for, I don't know, like $10. That to the side. Here's my funnel. Just pour it in. And there we go. And I probably need to mix up a really big batch, but I've almost run out of white paint. So that will have to do. Okay. I'm going to go over this canvas because I don't like it really. So let's check we're in the middle. I'm going to be using Liquitex Heavy Body Acrylic Bronze, Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet, Windsor Violet, Windsor Newton Phalo Green, and Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue Hue. And all my paints have been mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm just going to mark out where I need the paint to reach. Okay, and very quickly to the back. So here is my old canvas, and I put the marks down so that I know it's fully in your frame. In fact, I could move it over. There we go. So first I'm going to cover it with white paint. And get my hairdryer on low. Make sure that covers the whole of the sides. And I have 2 pairs of gloves on because I knew that was going to happen, and torch the white. Okay, so let's begin with violet. So I'm going to do a puddle and then blow it with a hairdryer. And there are two people that do this. One is a lady called Windsor, I think. I'd have to look up her name, but I can put the link to hers below this. And another, she calls it the Dutch pour, but the other lady calls it blown flower technique. Okay. And put some bronze. This is actually bronze mixed with some gold. I wanted gold, but I ran out. Okay, torch that. Ooh. Let's do a little bit of a tilting. Now, what I want to do is I want to get rid of this and get a straw. I knew those lovely colours were under there. And put some more white down here. There. And there you have it. So I need to torch the bubbles, clean off my hands, and then I think with the straw I'm going to give it some tendrils. There's no silicone in this. This is all this lacing is happening just from Floetrol. There's a couple of, there we go. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. All the links to my Etsy store and my website are listed below this video. All the paintings you saw at the beginning, the collages, they maple planks, landscapes and seascapes, they will be on my Etsy store next week. Down for a closer look, because you can't really appreciate all the cells and lacing. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous. Love this colour combination. You know what didn't come out though? None of the gold. Don't know where that went. Anyway, I will see you next time.